Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Fortnite on your Xbox account on PC. First, you need to make sure your Xbox account is properly linked to an Epic Games account. This is a crucial first step to ensure all your hard-earned progress, V-Bucks, and cosmetic items are accessible across both platforms. If you haven't done this yet, don't worry, it's a straightforward process that takes just a few minutes. To link your accounts, open your web browser and go to the official Epic Games website. Once there, log into your existing Epic Games account, or if you don't have one, create a new one. After logging in, navigate to your account settings, usually found by clicking your username. Look for the Connections or Accounts section, then select the Xbox option and follow the simple on-screen instructions to complete the linking process. This step is vital for cross-progression. Now that your accounts are linked, it's time to get Fortnite on your PC. Head back to the Epic Games website and download the Epic Games launcher. Once downloaded, install the launcher on your computer, which typically takes about 5 minutes. After installation, open the launcher and log in using the same Epic Games account you just linked to your Xbox. Find Fortnite in the store, click Install, and let the download complete. The game file size is approximately 25 gigabytes. With Fortnite installed and your accounts linked, you're ready to play. Launch the game from the Epic Games launcher. You'll immediately notice that all your Xbox progress, including your V-Bucks, skins, and Battle Pass level, is seamlessly available on your PC. This means you can pick up right where you left off. Enjoy playing with your friends, regardless of their platform, and know that all your future progress will sync effortlessly between your PC and Xbox.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.